Hi guys, Coach JC here. So welcome to Manila Roadshow, of course, ng economy. So good news guys, kasi this is the first roadshow in Manila wherein we are teaching everyone how to do forex trading with economy.
Event is of course to teach you on how you will be able to enter the forex market. So tuturuan namin kayo ng fundamental, technical analysis, and paano kayo matututong maging profitable sa trading journey mo.
We will educate you kung anong binibigay ng economy. Our products na makakatulong sa buhay nyo.
Dito sa EA Economy, nag-grow ako financially and also as an individual. Nagkaroon akong kung ano yung forex, kung paano gumagana yung forex, kung ano yung trading, and also, most importantly, yung solid na community dito.
So, Economy is not an investment company. This is an academy wherein we can learn forex trading, stocks and crypto. You can access that time with the coaches. So, hindi ka nag-iisa sa journey.
That you should not miss this opportunity kasi malaki ang matutulong nito sa'yo, hindi lang sa'yo but also sa mga kapwa Pilipino natin na magkaroon ng financial literacy. So, I hope to see you guys and good luck!
So this is a big platform wherein you can trade like a pro kahit zero knowledge ka sa forex trading.